The Bleaching of Coral Reefs
by Mikayla Monroe and Kristal Vasquez.
What is coral bleaching?
The coral reef is an ecosystem which habits thousands of different marine life. Since global warming has been at its peak, the coral is slowly dying. Global warming, acidity, and pollution are just some of the causes affecting coral. Coral has polyp colonies connecting together to form algae. Algae gives coral their food and color with the process of photosynthesis. Since the ocean temperature is increasing every year, the coral releases algae they need to survive, which causes the coral to become sick and eventually lead to death.
What is the current state of knowledge?
We are currently experiencing the worst coral bleaching ever. Over 80% of the coral reefs are bleached and 50% more are dying. Because of record high breaking temperatures, the coral is heating up, which could take decades to recover. There is currently a research in Australia taking place to help speed up the process of natural selection in coral and keep what has survived to withstand the damage.
Why is coral bleaching of interest? The bleaching of the coral reefs affects about 25% of marine life, as they rely on the habitat for food, shelter, and more. The bleaching phenomenon puts these fundamental elements of life at risk for these organisms. About 500 million people worldwide depend on coral reefs for things such as food, money, and tourism. The Great Barrier Reef on the coast of Australia provides about 70,000 jobs. In recent years, the bleaching has discouraged tourists to visit the reef, which puts these jobs at risk. Is there any controversies, and where are things going? Since jobs are at risk, parts of the tourist industry have claimed that coral bleaching is a lie, resulting in some of the population to be misinformed. Coral reefs have been on this earth for many centuries. If no change takes place, this could be their last. Humans have to choose between our current state of living or coral reefs. We need to take action so that coral reefs could be here for many centuries to come. Here are some resources to help you find ways you can take action.
The end.